how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a squashed, kind of squished out long pumpkin, and that's kind of what we're going to go through. It's another of many different kinds of, jack-o'-lanterns, so let's go through it step by step, okay? So first thing I do over here is I'm going to go and I'm going to start with just kind of some bumps, like a straight line, some bumpy straight lines here. It's going to be for the top of the pumpkin. Looks like a submarine sandwich or something. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve along this side, curve along this side. Then I'm gonna go underneath over here. Curve over here, same thing. It's the exact same texture. Right over here, okay? Gonna go over here to this side for the eye. Line up, down, curve. Over here on this side, curve over here, line up, down. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Right there. Over here now, we're gonna go up, down. Obviously those are the eyes right there, but it's like really squished in. And I'm gonna draw like a flat line over here. Now I'm gonna go over here, line, 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 line. Zigzag. Just zigzag along here for the mouth. As you can tell, it's like really like elongated, really squished. Line over here, 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 here. We're drawing the striations on the pumpkin, right? Don't forget to hit the like if you like this kind of experimental pumpkin stuff I'm doing right here. I'm really experimenting with kind of the way it is, like the way you draw pumpkins. Right on. I'm gonna go up now. I'm gonna draw a line up, down, over here. Okay. And then I'm gonna draw a line up there for the stem. Looks like Hey Arnold or something. By the way, don't forget, check out the stickers that we have on sketchingeasy.com. Go take a look at those. Hopefully have a great time with that. If you put stickers on anything, I like to put them on laptops or water bottles and stuff like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually color this guy in. So first thing I'm going to do for the top is I'm going to give a green. By the way, when you choose markers or crayons or colored pencils or anything you use, I would always choose lighter than you think it's going to be, because they tend to, at least for markers, for markers, because they tend to go down darker. I don't know why. So I'm going to choose right here a Prismacolor marker. Like so. It's going to put that line there. And now with this, I'm going to fill in the pumpkin shape right here. And that's gonna fill it in more or less flat. While I'm doing that, I'll talk to you a little bit about Halloween. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do this year for Halloween. As far as dressing up, I have no idea. Usually, I don't think of an outfit for Halloween until a couple weeks before, but I'm really gonna, really gonna push it this year. I mean, like I want to do it early, right? We're kind of far out. We're like 2 months out. I think I could come up with an idea. Fill it out over here. Just gonna keep filling it out. I'm kind of more or less not like just going across it because these things really don't smear, but unless I did it really early, right? Like the ink is still more or less kind of wet from my marker, from the black marker, so I'm trying not to do that, you know? And over here, just gonna keep moving. Continue, just kind of keep doing this. But yeah, if you love Halloween, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be posting beginner style lessons 3 times every single weekday through the season. So when you subscribe, it'll subscribe to you for not just this season, but next season. So for example, let's just say a year from now, you know, Halloween starts to roll around again, and you're kind of like, what was that channel again? I can't remember the channel with it. You know, you don't have to, because there's going to be videos around that season that are going to start showing up on your feed. So you'll never forget. So that's what's kind of cool about it. But definitely subscribe. Like I said, it's a good, like, long-term kind of plan to subscribe. But you got to click that bell notification, or else it'll really never tell you. Woo! That took a little bit. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If anything, you could also kind of like thicken the line around the outside layer. I'll do it for the bottom layer right here. You know, for the bottom layer, I think it might fill it out. Right here. And I might give it a little bit more around the edge over here as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Say hi to me in the comments section, and I will talk to you very, very soon, alright? I guess I'll keep it going. That's like a carrot, actually. That's exactly what it looks like. It literally looks like a carrot. That's funny. Thanks a lot. See you around, everyone, and I will talk to you next time.